Hi everyone, welcome to session number 5 today, wherein we'll be discussing the importance of beta. So quickly proceeding with the video now. Beta is not just a numerical figure, but it is something that is widely used by analysts out there because it is something that tells us how risky an investment is. So, as smart financial analysts, we not only need to chip in the return factor but also the risk factor, because in today's time both go hand in hand and both are equally important. Now we know that beta is by default set at 1. So anything more than 1 tells us that the option is more riskier, it is more volatile in nature and moves ahead than the market. Whereas if it is less than 1, it tells us that the investment option that we are going for is something which is more stable in nature, it is more safe, and also is something that moves less as compared to the market out there. So we know that there are some pitfalls when we calculate beta, and traditionally beta was calculated by using regression, and the slope of that line used to give us a numerical figure known as beta. But to rectify all of this and to rectify the issue of noisy beta, we have an approach known as bottom-up approach. So bottom-up beta basically is calculated using a particular algorithm, and so the procedure for that is that we need to break the company into several components, into several segments. After that, we need to find out unlevered beta for those respective similar play companies, and the third step says that we need to now average out those unlevered betas that we have obtained in the second step on the basis of the importance of those segments. At last, as the concluding step, we need to adjust these on the basis of tax rates and debt. And finally, we have a figure known as bottom-up beta, which is used for efficient analysis. And the bottom line for this video would be that beta isn't just a numerical figure. It tells us the entire story about the business, about what the business is, how risky it is, and also at the same time how we finally finance our business.